Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys. Today we again will take a look at the Great British Pound, mostly because on Friday in our video we have talked all important things concerning our currency. So that's why currently I did not see big reasons to prepare the separate weekly research on the euro currency, because in fact on the drop that we got on Friday, euro currency significantly has diminished the perspective of the bullish scenario on the daily chart, because this retracement was too deep and it has broken some normal behavior with the patterns that we should see but we haven't seen. So mostly I speak on head and shoulders pattern, and where the significant drop below the neckline after it has been broken seems to be irrational. Also on the euro currency, as we said, we've got a huge reversal bearish candle on the weekly chart, and usually such kind of candles just doesn't stop immediately. Usually these candles have the continuation. That's why in the medium-term perspective, as we said yesterday in the video, we expect downward continuation based on this reversal week, but in a very short-term perspective, I mean in the beginning of the next week, maybe within a few sessions, we will be watching for minor tactical bounce, upside bounce on the daily chart, because market yesterday has completed our target. As we said, it should reach the 126 area. So that has been done, and there, as market stands in a strong daily confidence support, there are some minor tactical bounce would happen, and that's what we'll be watching for on the euro currency in the beginning of the next week. As soon as this bounce will be over, downward action probably will continue, and we will switch our attention to downward continuation. That's approximately our tactical plan on the euro currency. So there's two steps in this plan. First, looking for the minor bounce in the beginning of the next week. When this bounce will reach the target and will be finished, we will expect another leg of the downward continuation, so some kind of the ABCD action on the daily chart. So that's why today we think that will be better to talk on the Great British Pound, because here we also have interesting setup. If you remember, the major background of the setup is twofold. First one is the sentiment analysis that suggests that market extremely oversold, and speculative short position stands at the ultimate levels that haven't been seen since probably 2008 crisis. So this is really very significant oversold on the sentiment analysis. Second, we have the bullish grabber on the weekly chart that suggests taking out the recent top. It's right here, and we suggest that market should reach the area around 128, probably taking out of this area. Initially, when we have prepared this analysis 2 weeks ago, we said that first target that we will be watching for is minor 618 extension of this A, B, C top pattern. So that has happened. So market has reached this target and turns to the normal retracement. It's absolutely normal action. Retracement, as you can see, also looks small, and this is good because market has hit just minor target. That's why retracement also should be minor. According to our weekly view, we suggest that market should continue action to the next target right now. So the next target will be around 128.50 area. So this will be 100% extension of this A, B, C, bottom D pattern. So minor extension has been reached. Next target right here. And also we could get this butterflies, also has the 127 destination point in the same area. Actually, guys, as you can see here, around 128, 129 area, so the strong resistance. It's also major fib level, creates an agreement resistance with the ABCD target. It's a very strong destination. That's what we have on the daily chart. But and in the beginning of the week, the major question that we have is how market will continue this action up. Either it will be immediate upward continuation, or market will show first a bit deeper A, B, C, D retracement on the intraday charts, and then we'll turn to the upward action. Any ABCD here will not break the overall bullish context. It will just change the shape a bit of the price action. So the butterfly will be not of that shape, but that wing will stand probably a bit lower on this area where market could reestablish its upward action, something of that sort. But the overall context, the scenario will hold the same. So this retracement mostly has the technical meaning and will not change the overall analysis. But this is important because it will make an impact on the process of position taking. So let's see what we get on the intraday charts. What price behavior on the intraday chart suggests. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we have nicely looking bullish picture. When we saw this drop, if you remember, 2 weeks ago, we said that probably market could continue to the next 123 fib support. But somehow, by some miracle, market was able still to hold above the confluence. So that was actually the area where we thought initially to take the position. But as soon as we've got this drop, we said, well, guys, it's better to wait a bit and focus on the deeper level because we do not want to see this plunge when we would like to go long. But still, market got sufficient power to keep the price action around the confluence and even turn to the upside action. Also, what other signs we have here? We have nicely bullish divergence, as you can see, hidden divergence with the MACD indicator. So we could draw it in this manner, probably that way, or even we could draw it in that way. It's also acceptable. But anyway, this divergence, as you can see, bullish, and it also suggests the upside continuation. Still, taking into consideration this drop, it really was fast, we can't exclude totally that market will not form some kind of this ABCD pattern to the downside. Something of that sort could be formed. This is possible. That's why we should be ready for this scenario and keep in mind that this is possible. That's why in the beginning of the week we need to keep close eye on the hourly chart. What's going on there? Actually, on the hourly chart, based on behavior that we have, it's not really big chances that we indeed will get this large bearish on BCD on the daily chart. Because take a look, we see a really great acceleration up on upward action on the Great British Pound. Market already has broken all fib levels on the way up. That's also bullish sign. That's why I think that it really seems that maybe chances on the ABCD pattern to the 123 is not really significant. But at the same time, we still could get some minor retracement here. Why? Because take a look, market has completed two different targets. First of all, this is A, B, C bottom 1618 target has been completed. And also, market has completed this AB equals CD pattern. That's why at least minor bounce here is possible. For that purpose, we need to watch for two levels. First one is confluence support around 125. And next level is 124.45 area. This is two levels the market could reach on retracement up. It's probably also suggested by the harmonic swing. So here, if you will calculate the harmonic retracement here, let's take this one. So it's approximately the same distance here, here. You'll count here, you'll see also near around 124. It's also possible. If somehow we still will get the dropping of that manner, so just will be collapse here to the downside, fast acceleration, and the market will break the 618 support. Do not take the long position here, because that sort of action will return us back to this one pattern. That's the action that we do not want to see when we would like to take the long position. If we will get gradual action, gradual retracement, some kind of the ABCD here, this will be a nice opportunity for taking the long position with the upward continuation. That's what we will be watching for in the Great British Pound on the coming week. So that being said, bullish context that we have on the weekly chart, on the daily chart is still valid. We're still watching for further upward continuation on the Great British Pound. In the beginning of the week, we expect some retracement down Most probable level is 125, but 124.55 is also acceptable. And we're watching for this retracement. If retracement is gradual, some kind of the ABCD pattern, we could think about taking position here or here, depending on how retracement will develop. If we will get such sort of actions, very fast acceleration down, we will not go long and wait for larger downward ABCD on the 4-hour time frame chart, and our level again will be 123. That's our training plan for the cable on coming week.